basic AutoCAD for 21st century learners tutorials. The following videos are open to anyone at any level, maybe CAD enthusiasts, would-be CAD operators, or even novice users. You may use this as your guide in discovering or exploring AutoCAD as software, as tool in developing your CAD projects. Introduction to CAD and AutoCAD software, some of the basic draw commands, as well as modify commands are comprehensively discussed in the presentation. You can play and pause the videos to furtherly understand the lesson. And don't forget to perform the tasks relevant to the lessons which will be shown after every video tutorial. This would be supplementary activities in enhancing and mastering your skills. In Lesson 2 of the tutorials, discuss about some of the following draw commands used in completing your AutoCAD works. These commands commonly used to create drawing or start drawing, especially constructing 2D drawings. It includes polyline, X-line or construction line, ray, circle, rectangle, and polyline commands. It is difficult for us to create regular geometrical shape in technical drafting or drawing without prior knowledge in geometrical construction. Is it difficult to construct polygon having 12 sides? How about 15? Or what if I'd like to create 100 sides and angles that are equal? This will challenge your manual dexterity, or you need a larger size of paper in order to accomplish it. In this part of the video, it will show us how easy to create regular polygon with ease and accuracy. 100 sides, we can make it! Kung ang command na ito ay inyong gagamitin in completing your CAD projects, tingnan at pag-aralan muna natin ang dalawang halimbawa. Same polygon, having 6 equal sides o tinatawag nating hexagon, ngunit magkaiba kung paano ginawa gamit ang bilog. Meron tayong tinatawag na inscribe and circle. Mapapansin natin ang polygon ay nasa loob ng bilog na kung saan ang bawat kanto nito ay nakadikit sa parte ng bilog. Kung ikukumpara natin sa kabilang halimbawa, parehas ang sukat ng bilog na ginamit, ngunit in this example, ang bawat kanto nito ay dumikit sa bahagi ng bilog. Ngunit kapag circumscribe about circle naman, sinasabi na ang bilog ay ang nasa loob ng polygon. Sa madaling salita, na ang gitnang bahagi ng bawat guhit ng polygon ay siyang nakadikit sa bilog. Gumamit ito ng magkaparehas na bilog, subalit mas malaking polygon ang kayang gawin kung circumscribe about circle ang ating gagamitin. Same radius ang ginamit, which is 5. Sa paggamit ng command na ito, pumunta ng Home tab at sa baba nito ay ang Draw panel at hanapin ang Polygon Tool icon. In this area of the panel, sa tabi ng Rectangle tool ay mayroong Flyout. Click this Flyout and choose Polygon. Maaari ring i-type ang POL bilang shortcut key ng command o kaya ang buong pangalan nito at pindutin ang Enter or Spacebar key. Sinasabi sa command window na kailangan nating maglagay ng bilang ng sides para sa magiging polygon. Halimbawa, gusto kong gumawa ng octagon at ang octagon ay mayroong 8 sides, so type 8 as the number of sides, then hit Enter or Spacebar. Right after, we need to specify the center of the polygon, the location of the octagon at the drawing space. You can type the coordinate value, use the object snaps to any point of the existing object, or pick a point at any location in the drawing space. Next, we have options according to command window, the inscribe or circumscribe. You can select by clicking at the options or by typing the highlighted letter of the options, I for inscribe, C for circumscribe. Then press Enter or Spacebar. Move your cursor to see the polygon. This time, kailangan nating i-identify ang laki ng bilog. Say, the circle is having a radius of 4. So type number 4 in your keyboard and press Enter or Spacebar. Then we have now our octagon. In manual drafting, mahirap gumawa ng regular polygon having more than 12 sides that are equal. Ngunit gamit ang Polygon Command, mas madaling gumawa ng polygon na may mas maraming sides. Let's try it. Click the icon enter the number of sides. For the meantime, let's type 1000 to 25 as the number of sides and hit enter. It did not proceed to the next step dahil nag-exceed tayo sa number of sides ranging from 3 sides as the minimum number to 1024 as the maximum number of sides na pwedeng gawin gamit ang command na ito. Let's prove na kaya ngang gumawa ng object na mayroong 1024 sides. Type the value and hit spacebar or enter. Specify the center of the polygon. Then choose either Inscribe or Circumscribe. Click the option in the command window and after, specify the radius of the circle. Say 30 and hit again the enter or spacebar key. Kung mapapansin natin, nagmumukha siyang bilog but in reality, it is not. Ito ay polygon na mayroong 1024 equal sides and angles. To check, I will select the object. Now, if you will notice, we have more than 4 vertices represented by grips, square in shape and filled with color blue. Let's zoom it in. The number of grips is equivalent to the number of sides and angles. Allow me to create a circle and select it. As you can see, it has only 4 grips comparing to the object done using Polygon Command that has a 1024 sides and angles. Using this command, mas madaling gumawa ng regular polygon with more than 3 up to 1024 equal sides and angles with ease and accuracy. That's how amazing to use this command to create hundreds of sites. You can definitely maximize the use of this command in your project.